Alright, what's going on everybody? Eddie Daniels here with another video. So today we're going to shoot this video doing a review on the Roni kit. What is it, macro, right? Or micro?
MCK?
MC, yeah.
The first one I believe was Roni.
The Roni kit for the Glock. So before we get started on this video, actually, play the intro. Alright, I'm back. So, this is what we're shooting today. We got the Roni kit. I got the gray one. Oh man, Andre got the white one. He got the nasty white one too. Okay? So, the one that I got is the one that has my Glock 19 in it. So what this is pretty much, what is this actually? Like a brace for your handgun, for the Glock. I insert my Glock 19 into mine, and he's gonna shoot his with his Glock 17. But a couple things about this thing that I love about it is we got, not only can you put, actually we're gonna put it in there. Not only can you put your Glock inside of this thing. All right, take a couple seconds to do it. It's not that bad. Throw this thing in here. You gotta make sure we clear and safe and all that. There we go. Boom. So now you done went from a pistol to a, shoot, like a baby rifle, type thing. You know what I'm saying? And the good thing about it too is, I don't want to talk about too much about the sights and stuff because these sights didn't come with it. I don't know if yours did.
I got the MCK Crimson and Trace on this one.
Okay, so I ended up going to Amazon because I'm an Amazon head, so I got me an Amazon red dot. I'll put the link in my description as far as that goes, and my my sights, my flip up sights. All right. So the dope thing about this is it increases your accuracy. Okay, and on mine, I'm not sure if you have on yours, but I got thumb rails on mine for your thumb support. So that way when you go to grip it, you got the finger support here. You can throw your fingers in here, and I have a support for my thumb actually, so that can help me with my grip.
I use my flashlight. So I got a flashlight up here. Most of the time I'm carrying like this, but if I need that extra thumb support, I'll put my thumb behind that flashlight.
Oh, actually, that's kind of fire too.
Yeah, because I didn't get the MCK front flashlight.
Yeah. That's the one I got. I got the flashlight on the front of mine, and that's kind of dope too. I don't even know if you can see it. You probably can't. It's too bright up. Oh, you could see it.
Yeah, you can see yours.
All right. So I got the light on the front of mine.
Yeah, you can see it.
Okay. And the dope thing also is you can shoot this one-handed, right? We got the collapsible brace, right?
Quality brace too.
Yeah, it's not bad either. And we threw a single point sling on this bad boy.
You got the MCK one as well?
Oh yeah, this one. No, you know what? Actually, no, I didn't. I got this Amazon again.
Oh,
Amazon gonna have to start paying me some money. I got an Amazon joint again, but it actually is sturdy. It inserts into the bottom of this thing. Simple too,
quick
right?
detach. I thought I was the Amazon king, but I think you got me beat.
Yeah, Amazon gonna have to start paying me, man. Yeah. So so that's dope. So before we start shooting it, man, I did want to give you guys a quick view of it, of this thing, and then we're gonna show you what some of this thing looks like when we actually shooting it in action. We're using the red dot, obviously. I didn't even zero in my iron sights, but the iron sights is up here as well. We're gonna do a couple of drills so you can see how this thing moves and how it shoots. Aside from that, man, let's get to the video.
Tell the nigga that it's done, girl, you know I'm not the one. You say you want the fun, tell the nigga that it's done, girl, you know I'm not the one. You say you want some fun,
I'm riding in a Maybach, fine ass girl, address in my ways app, and I never knew it was got the sauce like never call it Marinara. Bad things from Mississauga, she bit a long. Thick thighs save lives, and she got a skirt on. So fine, put the dessert on. Thank God, put the word on. One of them ones, I'm living my life to the fullest until I'm 101. You jumping the gun, my diamonds is hitting so crazy when I put them under the sun. If it's then I put up where you at. So you ain't should do what you
right, we're back. So, what I love about this thing so far is how stable it is. Now, we got a couple misses on this thing. That's because we was moving and shooting and doing these different drills, which helps with your adrenaline and you having to be more stable when actually shooting. But the one thing I can say about this thing is it's super, super comfortable in my hands. What you feel about the comfortability?
The comfortability, so I put the 17 in it because I had my 19 in it before, and I felt like I wasn't getting up and getting a good grip on it. So I swapped back out to the 17.
So yours probably feels a little more comfortable than mine's based off of just that extension there.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it is very, very comfortable. Super, super stable. And it's a quality build.
Yeah,
man.
it's robust.
For it to be like what is this, like a hard plastic type of thing?
Yeah.
It's super,
maybe like
super.
A polymer.
Yeah. It's super, super sturdy. I love it. It absorbs recoil very well. I like the fact that in the front of this thing you have this is empty. You know, we're not doing nothing with it loaded, but it has the actual magazine holster type. Support. But I don't know what you call it. This is a holder for your magazine. But this right here helps when you do reloads as well. So you got your magazine here that's inside the butt of your gun. You go to release that mag. If you're doing a magazine change, let me do it like this. I don't want to be in his way. Release that mag. You take this one out. There's a button here that you push. You can see it on this side as well, but you push this button. It releases that mag and you swap it out. And you go to continue firing. So yeah, what do you think about this gun, Dre?
I like it. So
well, not gun, but you know,
the whole system,
overall system. Yeah,
I love it. So this was my I don't have a truck, but car gun.
Yeah.
So before, the car gun. So this, like you said, this could reach out. This could take me from now I'm shooting 150 yards, 50 yards because I'm able to reach more because I have more stability with it.
Big facts.
The only thing that I probably would have done differently. Now that I see your gray and how dirty this is after we trained today, man, this thing is filthy. And I'm probably not gonna go clean it. I'm gonna keep it like this and show its ruggedness.
This thing is dope, man. I can't lie to you. I like the fact that it has this Picatinny rail, and you can mount whatever you want on this thing, even on the sides. He did a light on his, and on his other side he has nothing right there. But as you can see, you can put different things on your gun or on this
put a red dot
system if you want. And that's pretty freaking dope. And I like the fact that when you go ahead and collapse
it's real simple.
your brace, you could shoot this one-handed. You know what I mean? And that's pretty dope, yo. Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and then make sure you watch some of my other videos. Dre, you want to give them the information?
So you can find me on Instagram at bullseye_LLC. Find me on Facebook at Bullseye. On Twitter, not Twitter. I'm on
Twitter be nice though.
TikTok, yeah. Twitter.
I got Twitter. I don't even use Twitter, but I got it. But anyways,
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, primarily mostly on Instagram. Check out my website at www-bullseye.com.
I'm gonna put the link in the description anyways, along with the Roni kit, along with all the accessories that we have on ours, along with Instagram, Facebook, and all that good stuff. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll check you guys soon. Peace.